Hey everybody, this is Kwa. This video is part of my ongoing series on how to build a scratch-built Walkera Tali using APM, stock APM, and parts from Walkera. So anyway, this series I'm going to talk about communicating with the APM. Now, you're going to need to be able to have your computer talk to the APM when you're making updates or when you need to set missions or parameters or anything like that. The problem is that the APM uses a micro USB port. Let me see if I can focus on it. A micro USB port, and the stock the Tali flight controller does not. It uses its USB port uses one of these guys. Okay. So what you're going to need to do, and you have to be able to communicate because once you install the flight controller and you button up the Tali and you put the two shells together, you're not going to be able to access this USB port, obviously. So you need to find a way to extend the port. Walkera does have this little gizmo right here, and this is a micro USB port extension. Okay, and you can buy this. It's a couple bucks, and I recommend that you do. Okay, it goes into this area right here. Let me see if I can put my finger. This area right here, I can flip it around. Okay, so you can see that there's a place for it. So basically, this is where you're going to place the micro USB port extension. All right. So that's how you do it. But again, unfortunately, that little piece comes with this connector, and that won't work because obviously the APM does not have that connection. So what you want to do, what I've done, and this works perfectly fine, is that you want to splice. You want to create your own cable by using a micro USB port connector. Okay, here what I've done is I've just bought a cheap little micro USB connector. It's only a couple bucks. I stripped the wires and then I just spliced them to this connector. Okay, and that works just fine. And then what you can do now is you can plug this into the APM, this end into the APM, and then you plug this end into this little area right here that I've shown you, and then from there forward, even after you've closed up the whole Tali body shell, you can still communicate with the APM flight controller with your PC or your Android device. So that's just a quick tip that when you're building this, and so that you can get all the right parts together in the building process. So again, this is Kwa. I hope this video has been helpful, and more to follow soon. Thanks for watching. And if you have questions, feel free to post them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.